Welcome to my channel. Let's talk about transforming that neglected backyard of yours into something magical without breaking the bank. As someone who's explored design traditions from Moroccan riads to Japanese Zen gardens, I've learned that creativity often flourishes best within constraints. These backyard ideas on a budget aren't just affordable. They're opportunities to express your unique style and create a space that tells your story. Who says luxury has to be expensive? There's something deliciously satisfying about transforming humble materials into something extraordinary. I've seen tire reimagined into stunning outdoor furniture everywhere, from beach clubs in Bali to mountain retreats in the Alps. And now it's your turn to create something amazing. In my travels through South America, I've seen entire community gardens built from repurposed materials, proving that one person's trash truly can become another's treasure. This backyard idea on a budget transforms ordinary tires into extraordinary planners that add both color and character to your outdoor space. Think beyond basic black. These rubber canvases are perfect for experimental color play. Try creating an ombre effect with graduating shades of blue, or go bold with complementary colors that pop against your garden's greenery. My favorite approach is to use colors inspired by nature: sunny yellows, sky blues, and the deep purples of summer twilight. Here's a designer's secret. Group your tire planners in odd numbers and varying heights for the most visually appealing arrangement. Stack them, stagger them, or create whimsical tire totems. The only limit is your imagination. Now that we've added some color to your garden, let's warm things up with another budget-friendly backyard feature. During my travels through the Mediterranean, I was captivated by the way local gardeners used natural materials to mark their herb and vegetable gardens. These backyard ideas on a budget aren't just practical. They're opportunities to add artistic touches that make your garden uniquely yours. Think of each garden marker as a tiny piece of art. Smooth river stones become natural canvases for plant names, while weathered wood pieces can be transformed into charming rustic signs. I love using metallic paint pens on dark stones for an elegant look, or embracing the Japanese wabi-sabi aesthetic with roughly hewn wooden markers that age beautifully over time. Consider creating a cohesive theme for your markers based on your garden style. Coastal garden, use beach-found stones and shells. Cottage garden, implement distressed wooden signs. Modern garden, paint stones in monochromatic colors. Zen garden, utilize bamboo stakes with simple calligraphy. Now that we've labeled our garden beautifully, let's explore how to make it thrive with another budget-friendly solution. There's something deeply satisfying about the rich, earthy look of freshly mulched garden beds. This backyard idea on a budget isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a healthy microenvironment for your plants to flourish, much like the forest floor naturally nurtures its inhabitants. The secret to successful mulching lies in layering and timing. I learned from gardeners in Costa Rica that mulch isn't just a one-and-done solution. It's an ongoing relationship with your soil. Start with a layer of compost, then add your chosen mulch material. The magic happens as these layers break down and enrich your soil over time. Here's my tried and true mulching strategy for maximum impact. Clear the area of weeds and debris. Apply a thin layer of compost. Add 2 to 3 inches of your chosen mulch. Keep mulch away from plant stems. Refresh the top layer seasonally. Having worked with artisans from Mexico to Morocco, I've learned that color has the power to transform not just objects, but entire spaces. This backyard idea on a budget takes tired outdoor furniture and turns it into vibrant focal points that express your personal style. The key to successful furniture painting lies in preparation and imagination. Think beyond traditional patio colors. Why not draw inspiration from nature's own color palette? I once saw a stunning garden where Adirondack chairs were painted in graduating shades of blue to mirror the sky, creating an ombre effect that seemed to merge with the horizon. Here's my professional guide to color selection. For harmony, choose colors found in your garden's flowers. For drama, select complementary colors, opposite on the color wheel. For sophistication, use monochromatic schemes in varying shades. For whimsy, paint each piece a different jewel tone. During my travels through Scandinavian countries, I was struck by how beautifully they incorporate raw wood into their outdoor spaces. This backyard idea on a budget takes that minimalist aesthetic and adds a touch of history through the use of reclaimed materials. The beauty of working with reclaimed wood lies in its character. Each scratch, dent, and weathered patch tells a story. Instead of trying to disguise these imperfections, celebrate them. I once saw a gorgeous garden bench made from old barn wood where the maker had filled the knots and cracks with turquoise resin, turning flaws into features. The beauty of working with reclaimed wood lies in its character. Each scratch, dent, and weathered patch tells a story. Instead of trying to disguise these imperfections, celebrate them. I once saw a gorgeous garden bench made from old barn wood where the maker had filled the knots and cracks with turquoise resin, turning flaws into features. My time spent in Provence taught me that the most memorable gardens engage all five senses, and nothing accomplishes this better than a thoughtfully designed herb garden. This final backyard idea on a budget creates a space that's both beautiful and deliciously practical. Think of your herb garden as a living color palette, where silver sage mingles with purple basil and golden thyme. The key is to arrange your herbs not just for easy access, but for visual impact too. I love creating spiral herb gardens that draw the eye inward while making efficient use of space, or geometric patterns that turn practical plants into living artwork. Design your herb garden with these artistic principles in mind. Layer heights from tall to short. Group colors and textures for visual impact. Include both culinary and aromatic herbs. Create defined paths for easy harvesting. Add architectural elements like obelisks or small trellises. As we conclude our journey through these backyard ideas on a budget, remember that creating an outdoor paradise isn't about how much you spend. It's about infusing your space with creativity, personality, and love. Each project we've explored offers an opportunity to express your unique style while being kind to both your wallet and environment. Just as I've seen in gardens from Marrakesh to Melbourne, the most memorable outdoor spaces are those that tell a story. Your story might begin with a simple pallet sofa, grow with the twinkle of string lights, and flourish into a full garden sanctuary, complete with flowing fountains and fragrant herbs. The beauty lies in the journey of creation itself. Start with one project that speaks to you most strongly. Then let your backyard evolution unfold naturally. Layer your elements thoughtfully, combining practical function with artistic vision. Before you know it, you'll have created an outdoor space that not only saves money, but becomes a treasured extension of your home. A place where memories are made and everyday moments become magical. Remember, the most beautiful gardens aren't built in a day, but with these budget-friendly ideas, you can begin transforming your backyard this very weekend. Your perfect outdoor oasis awaits. All it needs is your creative touch to bring it to life. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Tell me in the comment section which of these ideas you liked the most. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you soon, and take care, guys.